The Royal Australian Air Force operated a first-of-its-kind trial by remotely piloting a Skyranger Air 70 small UAS from the back of a C-130J Hercules. The trial collected measurable data that will aid in evaluating the ability to operate both military and commercial off-the-shelf sensor systems. It ensures the UAS can operate safely over SATCOM in an active airspace environment without infringing on aircraft operations, as well as produce a live and clear video feed during remote operation from a C-130J Hercules. The trial has the potential to open up a range of capability options for the joint force, providing air-land integration options, improved situational awareness, and an ability to pull live feeds from different sensor systems in a combat cloud.